Hi, I'm Nuraini, the English teacher from Aceh. In this video, um, I want to share you about what I have learned for 3 days webinar organized by Thai Apps International India Indonesia and hosted by Marwadi University. The program is run for 3 days and delivered by using Zoom meeting. And what is what we learn for these 3 days is the principle of student engagement, teaching as a noble profession, and teaching with the heart and art. And the presenter is from Marwadi University, Mr. Dhananjay Singh and Mr. Nur Ali Khamadia. And also Mr. Rafi Makhija is from Thai Up International University. Um, they are very good. The presenter is very good in delivering the material. It's very interactive. The participant can communicate using Q&R box and also chat box. I like the way they give the material using the analogy and giving some quiz that participants have to do online. Then the first day, the principle of the student engagement delivered by Mr. Dhananjay Singh. What I learned from his explanation is what a teacher is more important than what he or she teach. So teacher is play a very important role. And then learning happen by what the learner does, not by what the teacher does. So the most important is the student activity, the student experience in learning. And the third is learning is change. So Mr. Dhananjay explained that it at least exchange in three element, that is from cognitive, affective, and psychomotorics. So thinking, feeling, and doing. And then content and context. So take from known to unknown. So when you teach the teachers, you have to give like the example for the student from what they have known, and then we introduce the new thing. And then what is the important things is effective communication between the teacher and the student in to um, to get the effective communication has three basic components. What is the three basic component is vocal, a voice, and verbal, like what language we use, and then visual. So what something that the new thing for me is the visual is the biggest effect compared with others. So the eyes contact, the gesture, posture, facial expression, and appearance, and the dress. So uh, dress, how the teacher dress is also influence for the student perception about the teachers. Okay. And the perspective. Um, he also tell us about the learning skills, so the teacher know when to apply the skill. The teacher know practice integrated skill and acquire component skill. Then for the second day, the teaching is a noble profession is delivered by uh, Mr. Nur Ali Khamandia. So what I learned that I like the way he make the antonym from the word like from welcome. When you enter the profession, learning must happen, and security is minimum expectation, and and work should remain meaningful every time when we teach. So this is interest, yeah, for us, and we can also give this activity for the student also. Um, the teacher job not only to teach but to inspire. It is important. So he suggests us to make uh, the students speak, make them brave, make them psychologically safe. So when the student answer our question, so make sure that no of other student laugh at him or her or bully, and then tell them everyone make mistake. So uh, it is important to make them brave enough to answer, no matter their answer is correct or not, and then appreciate them. Yeah, appreciate them. Um, although their answer is wrong, at least the student uh, try to answer, they do something, and then compliment them. It is very important. Sometimes when we compliment the student, it can motivate them, inspire them to do more, and then appreciate what you want your student to do again. When you appreciate something, the good thing that the student uh, do, it make them to motivate them to repeat the action, because they know, oh, the teacher like this. Then uh, I like this. The teacher has three love: love of learning, love of learner, and love to bring the first two together. So the teacher uh, must love their profession. Teacher love learning, and teacher love the learners. Okay. Um, then the third day, teaching with heart and art, it also delivered by Mr. Ali Kamadia. Um, what I learned from his explanation is a great teacher give a good result. So it stick in my mind. So a great teacher um, will produce a good student. So the teacher have to teach the student with heart, not because of it's our task or our duty. And then, what is best teacher? A best teacher is make a move and teach yourself, not only the student but also teach yourself and inspire the student. Play with them, um, learn with them, um, and then, but how to do this? You can join the online courses. Don't try to be bossy. That I can do everything. I want to learn again. And the teacher also have dressed well, and stay one step ahead. One step ahead, and then allow the student to make and find their own mistake. So it teach the student to analyze. Then use new technology and create the activity. It is very important because by using technology and create the activities, it can motivate the student, make the student feel fun when you give the task. And then don't try to teach everything in one day, because it is impossible for the student can grasp our explanation for uh, in one day, too much information in one day. So as the teacher, you have to check the student understanding. It is very important. Then what because the teacher have very many role, can be as guide, can be as mentor, planner, and coordinator. So it is not easy to be a teacher, but we have to do that with love, yeah, with heart. If you do it hard, you can handle all the role that the teacher can play. Then teacher have give respect and report. How to do that? So give unconditional with unconditional love, unconditional relationship. So you know the name of the teacher, student. You know the test. You know what your student problem. Unconditional giving, unconditional forgiveness, unconditional commitment. So with all this, you can be a good teachers. So what I like from all the quote that from the speaker is students don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So this is very nice quote because student also need not what we teach, but they want our love too. Okay, that what I learned from the today webinar hosted by Thai Up University and Thai Up International and Marwadi University. I thanks for all the presenter and for the Thai Up International India and Indonesia who give us very valuable information in terms of the strategy, how to be a good teacher, how to motivate the student, how to inspire the student. So it's for me myself, it motivates me very much. So thank you for all the presenter. Bye bye.